Raising Holy Catholic Kids #9 by Don Bosco. Avoid, like the plague, the opinion of anyone who would want to postpone First Holy Communion to too old an age, when most times the devil has taken possession of the heart of the youngster with incalculable harm to his innocence. Ayan, hindi ko to alam nung ako'y lumalaki na may anak na ako na yung First Communion pala is age 7, I think, as early as you can. You first get them into First Communion. We had a difficulty getting First Communion nung pandemic. So what I did was I went to a church and asked the priest directly, Father, pandemic, hindi kami naka-First Communion. Okay? Anong gagawin? Pwede ba kayo yung mag First Communion sa anak ko? So sabi niya, okay, next week, balik kayo Saturday. The next week, Saturday, we went in the afternoon. And then, nag-First Communion. Tapos, nandun lang ako nakikinig. Since the child is catechized, because remember, nag-catechism. I'll teach you more about how to catechism if you don't know anything. Okay? Then, nakasagot naman yung anak ko properly. Hindi siya eng-eng pagdating sa catechism. Tapos, another thing is, nabigyan siya ng justification para ma-First Communion ni Father kasi tama yung mga sagot niya. Okay? Now, you might say, kasi talino anak mo, etc. That's not the point. The point is every day nagka-catechism kami. And these are the resources we use for daily catechism of the kids. Are you ready? We do not use the catechism of the Catholic Church because that is so complicated. And your kid will never be able to understand it kasi masyado mahaba ang sentences. Instead, we use Spirago's catechism. There are two of those. One of Spirago's, this is a very old book. In other words, you can find it in the internet for free. The Spirago Catechism, I explained this one here. Sorry, you can't see it much, but Don Bosco sandali. Okay, yan. This book is not threatening. It has tons. So para ka nagbasa ng Harry Potter because this is as thick as Harry, but it's full of stories, a lot of different stories and a lot of explanations. And this book is old. In other words, you don't have to buy it. It's in archive.org. It's called The Catechism Explained by Reverend Francis Pirago. It's out of copyright kasi ginawa siya noong 1899. So you can get it, go to the internet, look for the Catechism Explained. This is one way for the readers. In other words, you can also just go to a section and then read it aloud at home. But you'll never finish this because it's so thick and it's not a fast way to catechize. So ano yung mas mabilis? Simple lang po, pumunta ka sa internet kay Father Chris Alar, Divine Mercy YouTube channel. Meron siyang The Faith Explained. Watch everything. That's because since the start of the pandemic, Father Chris Alar has created a YouTube series teaching everything about the Catholic Church that everybody has forgotten. And yan, and he calls it The Faith Explained. And yun, yun ang pinapanood namin, The Faith Explained by Father Chris Alar. Every day, and sometimes multiple times a day because we're like home-based anyway. So we just watch everything. He has a shorter version of this. It's a EW2N. So this is every piece of catechism you have forgotten. It's here in this channel. Okay? Sa Divine Mercy channel sa YouTube. It only started during the pandemic. So once a week. So you only have konting backlog lang naman. Ilan ba yung backlog na yun? Once a week. So mga 200 episodes lang yan, 1 hour each. So tons and tons of lessons on catechism. No, and his style is very easy to understand. Now, there is a shorter version of this na parang TV quality. Kasi itong catechism niya normally, mga PowerPoints to. Nagsasalita siya, may PowerPoint, right? Pero TV quality, you go to EWTN, nandun din yung si Father Chris doing something like that. Okay? Pero mas maiksi yung nasa EWTN. Okay? EWTN ata ang title, Living Divine Mercy. Diba? EWT, Living Divine Mercy. So this is the shorter catechism. Ayan. 29 minutes lang. Tapos ito, produced like a TV show. So maganda. Putol-putol, hindi siya like continuous lang. So meron siyang interview, meron siyang ibang people speaking, meron siyang slides, meron siyang drama, meron siyang parang TV show talaga. This is for EWTN. Living Divine Mercy ang title nung show na hindi nyo alam. So this is what we use for catechism. Hindi kami nagsasalita because wala kaming alam. Father Chris na nag-explain. This is one of the super sikat na Catholic priest because of the pandemic. So lumabas tuloy yung mga talented na Catholic priest. This is one of those. So if I were you, I would go through the whole backlog of 400 episodes. Tapos every Sunday we actually watch the episode before going to church. So naka-prepare na yung mind ng kids before going to church kung ano yung reading kasi didiscuss na ni Father Chris dito. Gets? Kasi meron naman siyang reading from last year, pwede mong i-play yon. So the kids already know, alam ko na yung back from a Catholic priest perspective. So ikaw, alright? So that's how you can raise your kids to be really Catholic by getting into catechism using these resources to are totally free. Okay? May podcast din yan, MP3 version. Though, I just listen to this in the car, so hindi ko nakikita yung visuals. Pero, okay pa rin. Naintindihan ko pa rin. I get to know the saints. I get to know the stories of Catholics who are alive today na may mga miracles silang nagagawa. Which leads us to this lesson. And, yeah. Things like Holy Communion. You don't understand it? Then, like me noon, so therefore, okay lang. Delayed communion, first communion, body of Christ. If you're a Catholic, that's a big deal. Hindi nila kinakain yung if you do not eat my flesh or drink my blood, you have no life in you, sabi sa Bible. So, ano sabihin nun yung anak mo walang life? Ganun yun eh. Sabi ni Jesus yun eh. Bahala ka paano ma-interpret. Don't delay, but not just the first communion, but also all the catechism that you need to give. Malaki ang backlog mo and you really cannot rely on the, tawag mo doon? On the church. Yung church, magbibigay ng catechism, Sunday school, Catholic school, the things you learn in Catholic schools today is Pride Week, Pride Month. And I'm not talking American Catholic schools. I'm talking about Filipino Catholic schools. Sorry. They're only Catholic in name many times. Sorry. You will have to raise your kids Catholic yourself. And you will have to find a priest to help you yourself. That's the world we live in today. All right? So be careful in relying on third parties to raise your kids Catholic. Tapos huwag ka magtaka kung hindi nila naiintindihan yung concept of suffering. Why is God allowing all this suffering? Yung pala, basic pala yung suffering. It's a basic catechism teaching that suffering in the world is there because yun yung ginawa ni Jesus, nag-suffer din siya. And you're not special. You're gonna suffer. And the world is gonna suffer. And it depends on how you see suffering from the point of view of Jesus or the point of view of the world. Ganyan lang yan. Anyway, masyadong mabigat na yun. Which leads me to our conclusion, which is feel free to share, repost, forward this to parents and would-be parents, newlywed couples na gustong mag-anak kasi balita ko may mga tao ngayon na ay magpakaanak, mag-parents pa kayo. Hindi kayo magiging parent. Okay? Forward this. You have the right to copy this and send it to them personally. Repost in your website, repost in your social media, private message to people you love and care para mag-guide sila. No? Again, I'm not the expert here. I'm just giving you my experience. And because I noticed our big groups, our big Catholic groups are neglecting basic catechism, neglecting the saints. They're just neglecting every rich thing that the Catholic Church has had for the last 2,000 years. Sayang. And since you're listening to this, you have discovered it. And congratulations. And do share it to those people na, yun, ay, ang galing. Anong nangyari? Right? Just share to the people that you love. And, sandali sa kabila. I'll just, okay. Share to the people you love. And thank you so much for listening. Do let me know if you have any comment. Thank you, Riza, for commenting. I like TW2N. It's great. And if you have kids, we hope that they will love it too. That they will share your love. If you love EW2N and they love it, the mas maganda. That's another source of content that they can watch. Just to counter yung mga junk na pinapakita sa atin ng lahat ng streaming platforms, ng YouTube, lahat ng libro, lahat ng kanta sa Netflix, sa YouTube, Spotify, etc. We are living in a world that is run by the evil one. It's very obvious. To learn from the saints, okay? To learn from the saints is big deal, no? Sabi ni Derek, thank you for sharing and initiating this discussion. Very timely reminder. Thank you so much for listening to the forgotten one. That's me. Okay, God bless. I'll see you guys. Ay, by the way, my name is Jomar Hilario. I-Google nyo na. God bless.